What does this mean? What does this mean? After you. After you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me for a moment. What's wrong? What's wrong? See you soon. See you soon. Where do you live? Where do you live? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? How's everything going? How's everything going? What's new? What's new? It's a long time since I have seen you. It's a long time since I have seen you. Take care. Take care. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Nothing. Nothing. Feel at home. Feel at home. Let's go. Let's go. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Shut up. Shut up. When shall we meet again? When shall we meet again? Honor to meet you. Honor to meet you. Pleased to meet you.